All right, so day 2. Sleeping was actually not so bad. Woke up earlier in the night from a guy trying to knock on the window. That was fun. Yeah, no, it was actually not that bad. It got pretty cold towards the end of the night, but otherwise sleeping was fine with the temperature. One thing I've noticed so far after living in my car for only 2 days is, yeah, it's really hard to keep it organized. Yeah, with everything that you have and everything that you have to keep in track with your schoolwork, from your clothes to even just like the stuff you have to sleep with that night. Yeah, it can get pretty cramped and pretty crowded pretty quickly. Yeah. So yeah, ready for day 2. Can't wait for night 3.